In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate static images in Canva. Start by opening a template in Canva that matches the format you need, like a square post or a story. A ready-made template gives you the correct canvas size and a clean starting point. Once your design is open, upload the image you want to animate. You can drag it in from your computer or use the Uploads panel. When it appears on the page, resize it by dragging the corners so it fills the entire canvas. This prevents any blank edges from showing during animation. Double-click the image to enter crop and position mode. Here, drag the image until your main subject sits nicely in the frame, ideally centered or aligned using Canva's smart guides. When you're happy with the composition, click Done to lock in the position. Next, open the Edit options. Choose Magic Grab. Canva will analyze the photo and highlight the subject it detects. Click to select that highlighted object, then press Grab. This separates the subject from the background, so you can animate each layer independently, which creates a more dynamic effect. With the subject selected, click Animate. From the animation options, pick Breathe. This creates a subtle, pulsing movement. Adjust the scale slider to control how much the subject grows and shrinks. Keep it gentle. Small changes look natural and avoid a distracting wobble. Now click on the background layer and add a breathe animation there as well. Set the motion to in so the background softly moves inward, complementing the subject. Adjust its scale too, typically a little less than the subject, to create a pleasing depth effect. Before you move on, enlarge the background layer slightly. This gives you a safety margin so the edges don't appear if the animation scales the image. Then fine-tune the subject's size and position once more to maintain a balanced composition. Small nudges can make a big difference in how the motion feels. When everything looks aligned, click Preview. Watch how the subject and background move together. You're looking for smooth, subtle motion with no clipped edges and a clear point of focus. If anything feels too intense, lower the scale values and preview again until it feels polished. That's it. You've turned a single static image into a lively, layered animation using Magic Grab and Breathe, with precise control over positioning and scale. Save your design when you're happy and you're ready to use it across your projects.